I'm so proud of my skin these days. Okay, wake up, Deepica. Hey guys, it's Deepica, and today I am doing another skincare video for you, and this time I am partnering with Lord & Taylor again to share some of my favorite skincare products that they carry. So basically what I did was go to lordandtaylor.com and put together a collection of my favorite stuff. A lot of this stuff you guys have heard me talk about before, but I'm putting it together in an all-in-one video, so you guys can check out the description down below to get all of these products from Lord & Taylor. So let's just get started. Okay, so first and foremost, I'm gonna talk to you guys about what I use to wash my face off. I've talked to you guys about this before, but I prefer cleansing balms and cleansing oils over an actual cleanser. I don't know, it's just been my new go-to thing. I like the idea of just like dryly putting the product on my face and then washing it off with water. This one from Clinique is a classic favorite of mine. It is great to take off makeup in a very gentle manner. So you see it's a solid balm here, but literally just by rubbing it, it becomes like a really silky oil. So just to caveat, I do have drier skin, so using an oil-based cleansing balm is totally fine for my skin. And this formula right here does remove makeup on my skin. I just personally always use a makeup wipe first and then go in with my cleansing oil or balm. But this one from Clinique is super lightweight, so it doesn't feel heavy on your face, and it is safe to use on my eyes. So this cleanser really just takes off all your makeup, all your SPF, so you don't have to just use it just to remove your makeup, but it it does it in a really nice, gentle way. I typically like to use the washcloth on my skin. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna talk to you guys about is something that I have recently discovered, and I've been hearing a lot of people talk about it. So everyone knows all about jade rolling to kind of tone and sculpt your face, but this device is the NUFACE TRINITY facial toning device. I'm sure you guys have seen this product around. It's like all over the internet. I've been seeing a lot of celebrities talk about using it, and I want to know what it was about. So I've been using it, but basically what this product does is kind of like contour and like sculpt your face and really tone it, and wrinkle reduction. It's time for me to start thinking about this and think about wrinkle prevention. I've been in denial for too long about this, but I have to start caring. So this is something that you only use 2 to 3 times a week, not every single day. I mean, let's be real, who really has time for that? First of all, you have to clean your face off. So I usually do this typically at nighttime. Clean my face off with an oil-free cleanser is the key there. And then you use this gel primer that they have. It's a hydrating leave-on primer. So you put this on to the parts of the face that you are going to be doing the toning on. And by the way, right when you get the NUFACE, you have to make sure you charge it for 12 hours. And I don't want wrinkles on the forehead. I have not done Botox in my life yet. No hate to those who do. So what this tool actually does to kind of contour and reduce the wrinkles on your face is it uses an actual microcurrent. Microcurrents help with the science of anti-aging by mimicking your actual currents in your body. And so you kind of actually like feel it. You'll feel like a little like on your skin, but nothing intense, don't freak out. What you do is you turn on the power. I do it on the highest power setting. I don't know, I feel like it's like the brown girl in me. My mom, even when I got like laser hair removal, she was like, do the highest setting. And I'm like, no mom, I'm gonna burn my face. But she's like, no, get your money's worth. It's one of those things. So the 3 places that I saw that they do is you take it like this and put it here until you hear a beep. And then right here, drag it up. And then contouring under like the eye bone. The first few times I used it, I did it on the lowest setting. Okay, so what I just did, you repeat 2 more times and then you move to the top of your forehead. It's lightweight and it says it on here that it has hyaluronic acid in it for giving that hydration on your face, which we all love. So the 3 places you do it here, to your hairline, and 1 over, go up. Do the same thing to the other side, and then you repeat that again also 2 more times. So everything is going to be 3 times each on both sides of your face and give yourself that contour. And that is something that I only do 2 to 3 times a week, not every single day, usually in the evening. They do have a mini version of this that makes it a little more friendly for travel, and it is a little less and more expensive. You know, I've tried the different lasers like the Clear and Brilliance and stuff on my skin before. This is more affordable, you do it at home, and it's giving those microcurrents, and I don't know, your girl's aging. Gotta start doing things to prevent wrinkles. Seeing them come now. No, it's all good. All right, next up I'm gonna talk to you about an essence that I'm using on my face. And I've talked to you guys about essence before. There's a few that I love, and I actually discovered this one from Shiseido when I went with them to Tokyo. It was like this beautiful bottle. I was like, oh my God, am I getting like perfume? Like, what is this beautiful concoction? I mean, everything from Shiseido is obviously beautiful. This essence is not the same sort of texture as other essences, which truly do feel like almost like a water. I actually feel like this is really moisturizing touching my skin, it's somewhere between the heaviness of an essence and a serum or a lotion, somewhere in between. And I don't even know if that's intentional from them, but that's just what it feels like on me. And what they say is that it responds to changes in the climate to keep your skin moisture levels constant, regardless of your location, the time, or the year. So it's interesting and different. I'm just like a huge Shiseido fan overall, and I mean, who doesn't want this in their vanity? Like, it's pretty beautiful. Next up, I'm gonna talk to you guys about my eye cream. You've heard me talk about this before, and it is from Estee Lauder. It is the Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Complex. This repairs and dramatically reduces the look of every key sign of aging, including puffiness, lines, and dryness, and helps reduce the signs of dark circles. And for me, the biggest thing is it feels my under eyes feeling nice and hydrated, which I think is key because whenever I'm wearing concealer or corrector under my eyes, you want to make sure that your under eyes feel nice and hydrated. And then on top of that, I go in with my serum. They say to use this both day and night, but I personally use this one at nighttime more. It helps the skin look really nice and smooth, radiant, hydrated, youthful looking. Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Recovery Complex 2. Just a small, easy name. Okay, another product that I love for daytime, this is from Elizabeth Arden. It is their Anti-Aging Moisture Lotion Broad Spectrum Sunscreen, and it has SPF 30 in it. So this is a great daytime SPF. I'm at that age where I have to care, and I'm gonna keep saying that because it's the reality. Just a note that this does have a light fragrance to it. I love it, and I don't mind the scent at all, but I just wanna flag that to you guys for anyone who is sensitive to that. What I look for in my daytime moisturizer is something that I feel like doesn't feel greasy on my skin, does protect me from the sun, so it has built-in SPF, and I'm able to wear makeup over it. You know, especially for a daytime thing if you're gonna wear makeup, but even if you're not wearing makeup, you wanna make sure your skin is protected from the sun. I love this because this is such an easy thing to do with Lord & Taylor because so many of these products are things that I've talked to you guys about and use regularly for years upon years. And another one that you've heard me talk about is this from LANCOME. It is the Visionaire. I've never known how to say that word. The French, man, they're so fancy. Visionaire NUIT. They call it the Beauty Sleep Perfector, and it is a advanced multi-correcting gel and oil. Don't you feel like after you're on a plane, your skin just like hates you? That's when this stuff has been my go-to jam. It just makes your skin like smoother, softer, bouncier, and you wake up and you just feel like it's nice and hydrated. 90% of the week, I will wear an overnight mask rather than a moisturizer. It's heavier, so it's just nice for when you're going to bed and just resting your face. Kind of a spa experience every single night by putting more of a mask on. And I love it to be overnight so you don't have to wash it off, you know? All right, so this is a new mask for me. This is from ERNO LASZLO, and I just started trying this a few weeks ago, and I was really pleasantly surprised with how hydrated my skin felt after using it. And it is the HYDRA-THERAPY Memory Sleep Mask. And essentially it's the same thing. You wake up with your skin feeling nice and refreshed. It's so interesting. Check out this formula. It's like gel. It's like one of those oddly satisfying things you see on Instagram, you know, that's what it feels like. I personally was reluctant to kind of like move on from the Lancome one, but this to me is more hydrated than the Lancome one, which I did not expect to say. This is why skincare is so awesome. You discover new stuff all the time, you know? Both really great overnight masks to make your skin wake up and feel really, really rejuvenated and refreshed. All right, this is a very new development in my life, and it's kind of insane that it hasn't been something that I've been doing earlier, but it is a neck cream. You guys, have you noticed, and I don't know if it's just me, but like I'm noticing as I get, again, older, I never really thought to do this, but neck cream is so important. Lately, I've just been taking my moisturizers and stuff and trailing it like down, but this is from STRIVECTIN, and it is a tightening neck cream, and is specifically meant to tighten your neck. You literally feel it, and it's like hydrating, more supple, and I just need to take care of my poor neck because it's been neglected. Some people say to go upward, but apparently I learned from a dermatologist that going downward on your neck is good. I don't know, whoever knows what the right answer is, let me know in the comments below, but I do some of this and some of this just because I'm not positive. So over time of using this, and again, I've been using it only for a few weeks, you'll start to notice that the lines and the fine lines on your neck just look a lot more filled in. Bottom line is take care of your neck. You don't want it to look saggier than like your face, you know? So, and last but not least, you guys have heard me talk about this also. It is a beautiful, very fresh, clean scent from Philosophy. This is Amazing Grace. It is like one of their best-selling fragrances. Just a really nice, clean, beautiful scent. This one specifically has bergamot in it, blossoms, and it has just this irresistible, like soft, lasting, like musk to it. Nothing like too heavy, nothing like too soft either. So this is something that I like to spray as a fresh scent. Yes, on myself, but also, not even kidding, on my bed sheets, because it feels so fresh and clean. And even in my bathroom, this is multi-purposeful. It stays on my counter, like on my marble counter in my bathroom. Nothing smells better than just like the smell of like cleanliness, right? So those are some skincare products that I am loving from Lord & Taylor. I hope you guys learned some things here. I just think it's such an important journey to keep talking about skincare products that wow. Skincare products that we use, because it is a forever evolving journey. So let me know in the comments below a skincare product that I talked about today that you guys have used before and your experience with it. Let me know, I would love to hear. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out all the links down below so you guys can get these products at Lord & Taylor, and I will see you guys next time.